So I'm going to show you exactly how NASA faked this thing. So we have over here is called, I'll kind of walk you through this for people who are not familiar with Photoshop. This is called the lasso tool, okay? So I'm just outlining a section of the background. See how I did that? Now, come back over here. So I'm gonna go edit, copy, paste. And now we get another layer here. I'm gonna come back to my background, get the lasso tool again, draw another line, another box, you say. All right, I hope you can see my little mouse doing this.
Yeah, we see that.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
edit,
see
copy,
that.
paste. All right. So coming back to my layers, coming back to my background, getting the lasso tool again. Yes. Okay, now we've got it. All right, so here we go. This is how NASA faked the moon landing. The moon landings are real. The moon landings were fake.
Yeah, okay, I see what you're doing. So if
Get
you're
it
looking
now?
at the video, you can see the faint differences.
So here you can see there's a man standing under a spotlight because the background is all dark. And now you just, ta-da! The moon
Ta-da!
landings were real. So in 2004, they removed all their old images, which look like this. And then in 2009, they uploaded all the new images where they had fixed the background. This was just a quick few-minute Photoshop job. You know, to do it properly, I would have to edit the colors and this and that. But I'm just showing you how easy it is to make a fake look, to make a man who's standing under a spotlight look like a man who's standing on the moon. Okay, so this is how easy it was for them to fake this thing.